Remember Rosie from the Jetsons? Well, this is kind of an actual version. This is the Navibot Samsung robot vacuum cleaner. You heard that right. It's a robot vacuum cleaner. And this is me testing it in the junk room. To test the Navibot, we have these rice bubbles. Basically, I'm going to put them out in a line across the floor. I feel like I'm doing an infomercial now. And we're going to see if the Navibot can pick them up. Here is the remote control. So basically we go auto. It's thinking about it. And there's a robot vacuum cleaner working in my household. As you can see, it has sensors and also little combs, brushes on the side that actually sweep the mess into its way. I've put it on auto, so it's just basically automatically roaming the house. You can fence it off into one certain area with these little sensors that come with the pack that are battery powered, and it also has a watch, like a clock on it, so basically you can set it to do its thing at a particular time of the day while you're out at work, maybe just right before you get home, so that if the cats leave any mess, it will clean it up. As you can see in the back of it there, it collects all the mess in there, so you can simply empty it. There's no bag required, even though it does have a filter like a regular vacuum cleaner. So it has cleaned up some of the rice bubbles over in this section. So waiting for it to return. Love this idea, by the way. Okay, it's going straight for my foot. And success. It did leave a few behind. It is getting caught up a little bit in the cat scratching post. Feeling its way around. And we have a winner. So close. It really doesn't like that bin. Oh, I think there's like one rice bubble left. Two maybe. And that's it. That's the last of the rice bubbles. And the rest of the floor is pretty clean actually as well. Especially for my house. The cat hair is gone. And I am so impressed with this thing. It says it's come to the end of its cleaning. So as you'll notice, without even asking it, I think it's returning to its base station for extra charging. Love a gadget that takes care of its own needs.